All right, folks, a little bit delayed here for today, a little technical issues, not sure the cause of that, but we're back. I'm back. We got some clouds that's still lingering across the area, still raining across portions of central Louisiana. Some folks got some good thunderstorms. In fact, even a warning for portions of Grant, Natchitoches, and Wynn parishes earlier in the afternoon for some strong wind. So some locally heavy rains have fallen across Cenla as well. So that's the Alexandria Tower cam still showing the clouds. Likewise, over in Gina, showing some clouds and some rain in the distance. Where to the left, you saw a little bit of maybe sunshine getting through the clouds. So coming up in this brief weathercast, I'll be talking about rain chances remaining in the 7-day forecast, as well as a uptick in temperatures next week. I know that's not pleasant news, but it's in the forecast. Notice how radar is not moving until the later frames here. So we had a data outage or got stopped up or something. So now we've got it animating once again. So you see some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms here across central Louisiana. Another batch off to the west of us in Texas. As that moves to the northeast, though, I think it's going to weaken some as it approaches us. But over in our area, most of this now is in the northern and eastern sections of the area, signaling that that has already moved through central Louisiana and will be exiting as some of this might get back in later this evening. So you still have a rain chance for a while this evening if you haven't received what you need. And at my home, I've been complaining about not getting the rain. Got a good one today. So it all balances out in some way or another. Satellite and radar, likewise, the only motion in the later frame, seeing showers and areas of clouds down into our area. Another batch of off to the east of us. A little organization that you can kind of see a kind of a line right through there. So features high pressure at the surface in the Gulf of Mexico. So that's going to hold any activity, tropical activity, out of the Gulf, at least for a while. Speaking of tropical activity, we've got the next 7 days from the Hurricane Center indicative of no threat areas seen at this particular time. So that's good news. We don't want that. All right, so 7-day forecast in for us for Thursday, a 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms up again. Average height 90 degrees, about 87 to 93 on most thermometers, which is reasonable for heat here in central Louisiana. Friday, we go down a good bit, only to 40%. Temperature goes up, though, to 93, so 90 to 96 for highs. Saturday and Sunday, rain chances come back up a little bit, and all this is fluctuating with the presence of high pressure aloft and that kind of thing, little disturbances in and over the area. So all that plays a role in these numbers. Saturday and Sunday, though, 92, 93 for highs, so low to mid 90s there, 73 for the low. And then moving into the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, notice how the temperatures go up on both numbers. So the nights will be more humid and uncomfortable, and the daytimes will be uncomfortable as well. But I'm still not comfortable with a forecast with any 0%. So I'm keeping 40% going Monday and 30% Tuesday and Wednesday. And those numbers, 30 to 40%, typical for Cenla here as we are not far from the middle of July. 70%, of course, is above normal. And these readings Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, if we get that 97 or even that 96 Tuesday and Wednesday, then somebody could hit 100 so far out of that pattern. And with the humidity, heat indices are going to be kind of tough. So there could be some significant heat as we go into next week. That's it from me. I think Nick Mikulis has caught all the fish he can. And so he's going to be back in the morning. I know a lot of you are going to want to hear from him. So he'll be streaming in the morning, and I'll do a little thing for the evening hours, and I'll be in the forecast center as well. Thank all of you for your support for Cenla Weather. Very much. We thank you for that, and hope your Thursday